Get paid to survey is not a new thing to earn money online, but there are many fake websites that will waste your time and money. In this video, I am going to share 3 real paid-to-get websites with you that I personally use to get some extra cash. These websites are free to join and are available worldwide, so it doesn't matter wherever you live on this earth, you can earn money through these sites. Before moving with the video, I request you to hit like and share the video with your friends, and if you want to know more about new methods, then you should subscribe to my channel as I post regular videos. Now let's
The first website on the list is Talyana Influencers. Talyana Influencers is a survey site that will pay you for giving your honest opinion. In addition to paid survey, this site also has other methods to earn money, but if you want to make more money, I would suggest to go with paid survey. Here is the Talyana Influencers homepage. I will provide this website link in description box below so you can check that out. Your opinions can influence some of the biggest brands like Amazon, Coca-Cola, Fiat, L'Oreal and many more. These are some of the partners of this site. You can earn around $0.5 to $5 with this site. Surveys may take time around 5 minutes to 20 minutes for completion. You can get around 10 surveys per week on this site. Most of the surveys will pay you around 2,000 to 6,000 points and 3,000 points equal to $1. The minimum amount for withdrawal is $10, which is very less as compared to other survey websites. This was a brief introduction of this site. You can read more about the website through FAQ and blog available on the site. Now let's move with the account creation. Creating an account on this site is really easy. You just have to click on the sign up button you see right here. After clicking on sign up, fill all the details like first name, last name, email address, your country, PIN code, and phone number and submit your application. After that, a verification code will be sent to your email address. Verify your email. After verifying your account, log into site and complete your profile. There will be a kind of survey that will help you to get more surveys, best suited for you according to your demographics. Here is my profile homepage after login in. On the top of the screen you will in tab called Survey, click on it, under which you will see Survey Center. Click on Survey Center. It will show you best survey that are available for you, and you can also load more surveys. Click on Start and this site will take you to another page where you will fill the surveys. Before starting surveys you can see the amount of points it will reward and the time it will take. On that basis you can decide whether you want to take survey or not. Even if you do not get qualified for the survey, you will get 200 points for each survey you attempt. The points of the survey will be added to your balance account after 24 hours. Now you have earned your points. Now it's time to cash them out. This site offers you different options to cash out your points. Click on the rewards. It will show every option available for your country. You can cash out your points through PayPal or through gift cards like Amazon. It's a great site if you want to earn money by giving your opinions on surveys. The second website on the list is LifePoints. LifePoints is another paid-to-get survey website which has more than 5 million members. Here you can see LifePoints homepage. I will also provide this website link in my description box. Take surveys to shape future products through this site, and this site will pay you LifePoints that you can redeem in cash. Companies that want to get feedback on their products and services roll out surveys on such website, and companies pay these sites, and these sites will pay you for filling out surveys. Earning through survey on LifePoints is really easy. You just need to sign up on this site and take surveys and get rewarded for filling out survey. You can redeem out your points through PayPal or gift cards. You also get 10 LifePoints as a sign-up bonus. 10 points roughly equals to $0.2, and the minimum amount to cash out is 1,100 points, which equals to $15, which you can easily earn if you stay consistent on this site. Now let's move with account creation. Creating an account is not that much complicated thing. Click on the Join Now button you see right here. A new window will open. Fill your details like first name, last name, your email address, and choose a password. After that you will need to fill an activation code that will be sent to your email address. After confirming your email, log in to the site. I will also log in. You will need to fill a survey asking for your demographics information. Based on that information you will get more surveys. Here's my account homepage. On the top you can see survey option. Click on it, and it will show all the survey that are available for you. Each survey will pay you around 60 LifePoints. You can see LifePoints that each survey will pay before the start of survey, so you can decide whether you want to take the survey or not. To redeem your points, click on Rewards section. It will show you all the points that you have earned. It will also show you if you can redeem or not, as the minimum points balance to cash out is 1,100 points. You can redeem your points through PayPal. So this was all about LifePoints site. And the third website on this list is Superpayme. Superpayme has been in existence since 2012, so it has been around for a while now. Superpayme has got around 4.5 stars on Trustpilot with around 2,500 reviews, so it's a legit website that pays people for paid surveys. As of today, Superpayme has paid more than this much amount of money to its members. This website has super fast payment method. It will pay you in 24 hours. It has got various payment option like PayPal, Amazon, and you can also cash out through Bitcoin. Apart from surveys, you can earn money by watching videos and completing paid offers. The minimum amount to cash out is $1, which is lowest for any paid-to-get survey site. I will provide this site link in my description box, so make sure to check that out. Now let's move with account creation. Making an account on this site is really easy. To make an account on this site, click on the Join button and fill your details like name, email address, and click on Submit. After you have clicked on Submit, a confirmation code will be sent to your email. Fill the code and confirm your account. Simply log into your account after confirmation. $0.2 as a sign-up bonus will be added to your account. Now you can start making money by filling out surveys. Click on Paid Survey. It will show you every survey that will be available for you. Fill the survey and get rewarded. You can cash out as soon as you have $1 into your account through PayPal or any other method that you like. So these were the 3 best paid-to-get survey website. I have also made videos of more paid-to-get survey websites. You can check my playlist by clicking on the link in description box. You can use various sites that I have shown and easily earn more than $2,000 per month. Hope you got to learn about new paid-to-get survey websites. If this video helped you in learning new methods, show some love to it by liking and sharing the video with your friends and family members. Don't forget to hit subscribe as I post regular videos showing you ways to earn money. I will meet you with another video. Till then, keep learning and earning.